Hi, so I'm about to take you on a tour inside this amazing water suite behind me that you can see. I'm at Cinnamon Velifushi, and I'm going to turn the camera around now and we're going to take a look inside at this amazing suite. So here we go. This suite is at the very end of the jetty, and it's the highest sort of premium grade room here at the resort. This is the welcome lobby, which is kind of doubles up as a seating area as well. And here, as we come into the main bedroom, you can see just how large this room is. And we'll take you straight outside. Check out those amazing views. This suite comes with a pool. The other rooms come with either a jacuzzi or they don't have a pool. So that's a bit special. It's got a table. Sun lounges here, so 2 sun lounges this side, 2 kind of seated sun lounger type things over there. Here we have access through to the bathroom. This huge pool with really is panoramic views here, more so than 180 I would say. It's real wraparound. So you can sit in these lovely chairs and enjoy the view out there. Comes with a hammock as well. Overwater hammock there, and look how clear that water is down there. Crystal clear, and that lagoon, so blue. There's another look from the other angle. There's even a table there with cupboards underneath. If you want to have an impromptu party here, they can bring you up room service. Let's now go through into the bathroom, which has a double shower here. Double rainfall shower and access straight there through that glass door to the deck. Beautiful bath there as well. And then here is the WC with a double sink basin. All the toiletries you'd expect. As I come over here, TV in that corner. And in this side there is a changing room. A walk-in wardrobe. It's not just a normal wardrobe here, full-on walk-in wardrobe, and there's a little WC in there as well. And if I take you outside again, show you the views out the front of the suite. So again, just before I do, this is the seating room, kind of lobby area to sit and relax in, and out here, these are the views you get every time you leave your water suite. So the water suite we just looked in is exactly the same scale and size as this one. So that gives you a good idea of the size. And down here are the water bungalows, and this side are the sunset water bungalows with jacuzzis. So I hope you enjoyed that tour of this water suite, and let me know if you have any questions.